The knowledge library present. Amazing, important and informative MCQ quiz on human health and diseases. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
What causes malignant tertian malaria? Option A, P. vivax. Option B, P. malariae. Option C, P. ovale. And option D, P. falciparum. The correct answer is option D, P. falciparum. What is the protein coat and genetic material present in HIV? Option A, ssRNA. Option B, dsRNA. Option C, ssDNA. Option D, dsDNA. The correct answer is option A, ssRNA. The next question is, why is cyclosporine used? Option A, for allergy. Option B, as immunosuppressant. Option C, prophylactic for virus. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, as immunosuppressant. Foreign cells are lysed by. Option A, IgM. Option B, IgA. Option C, IgE. And option D, IgM and IgG. The correct answer is option C, IgE. The next question is, Gambusia fish have been introduced to lakes and ponds in India to control a deadly disease. These consume larvae of option A, Nepenthes, option B, Anopheles, option C, dragonfly, and option D, housefly. The correct answer is option B, Anopheles. The next question is, what is an antiviral substance? Option A, antigen. Option B, antibody. Option C, interferon. And option D, antibiotic. The correct answer is option C, interferon. Moving on to the next question. The malarial parasite that has the longest incubation period is option A, Plasmodium vivax. Option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Option C, Plasmodium malaria. And option D, Plasmodium ovale. The correct answer is option C, Plasmodium malaria. Colostrum secreted from the mammary gland contains which type of antibodies? Option A, IgM. Option B, IgD. Option C, IgE. And option D, IgA. The correct answer will be option D, IgA. Moving on to the next question. What is the function of antigen? Option A, lowers body temperature. Option B, kills harmful bacteria. Option C, triggers the immune system. And option D, is used as an antidote to the poison. The correct answer is option C, triggers the immune system. The next question is, in a primary immune response to an antigen, which of the following is a pentameric immunoglobulin? Option A, IgG. Option B, IgM. Option C, IgA. And option D, IgE. The correct answer will be option B, IgM. Moving on to the next question. By the chronic intake of what is cirrhosis of the liver caused? Option A, opium. Option B, alcohol. Option C, tobacco. And option D, cocaine. The correct answer will be option B, that is alcohol. Moving on to the next question. A snake bite is treated with anti-venom. This is an example of option A, artificially acquired active immunity, option B, artificially acquired passive immunity, option C, naturally acquired passive immunity, and option D, specific natural immunity. The correct answer is option B, artificially acquired passive immunity. The next question. Electron beam therapy works as a form of radiation therapy to treat option A, enlarged prostate gland, option B, gallbladder stones by breaking them, option C, certain type of cancer, option D, kidney stones. The correct answer is option C, certain types of cancer. Moving on to the next question. What are opiate narcotic drugs? Option A, anti-anxiety, option B, analgesic, option C, hypnotic, and option D, antihistamine. The correct answer is option B, analgesic. Moving on to the next question. Which drug increases cardiovascular effects in humans? Option A, cocaine, option B, barbiturate, option C, benzodiazepine, and option D, insulin. The correct answer will be option A, cocaine. Moving on to the next question. How is opium obtained? Option A, Oryza sativa, option B, Coffea arabica, option C, Thea synthesis, and option D, Papaver somniferum. The correct answer is option D, Papaver somniferum. Moving on to the next question. What is an autoimmune disorder? Option A, myasthenia gravis, option B, osteoporosis, option C, muscular dystrophy, and option D, gout. The correct answer is option A, myasthenia gravis. Moving on to the next question. The principle of antigen-antibody interaction refers to which of the following? Option A, PCR, option B, ELISA, option C, rDNA technology, and option D, RNA. The correct answer is option B, ELISA. Moving on to the next question. The reason why antibiotics do not cure common cold is option A, caused by a virus, option B, caused by a gram-positive bacterium, option C, caused by a gram-negative bacterium, and option D, not an infectious disease. The correct answer will be option A, caused by a virus. Moving on to the next question. While harmful in itself, which of the following conditions can also protect against a mosquito-borne infectious disease? Option A, leukemia, option B, thalassemia, option C, sickle cell anemia, and option D, pernicious anemia. The correct answer will be option C, sickle cell anemia. Moving on to the next question. Sexually transmitted diseases include which of the following? Option A, Q fever, option B, leprosy, option C, whooping cough, and option D, gonorrhea. The correct answer is option D, gonorrhea. Moving on to the next question. The vector of Aedes aegypti is option A, both dengue and yellow fever, option B, dengue fever, option C, yellow fever, and option D, Japanese encephalitis. The correct answer is option A, both dengue and yellow fever. The next question. What are vaccines? Option A, treated bacteria or viruses or one of their proteins. Option B, MHC, major histocompatibility complex protein. Option C, curative medicines. And option D, monoclonal antibodies. The correct answer is option A, treated bacteria or virus. Moving on to the next question. Proteins inhibiting viral multiplication produced by vertebrate cells in response to viral infections are referred to as option A, lipoproteins, option B, immune globulin, and option C, interferons, and option D, antitoxins. The correct answer is option C, interferons. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following acts as a psychological barrier against microorganisms entering the body? Option A, epithelium of the urogenital tract. Option B, tears. Option C, monocytes. And option D, skin. The correct answer will be option D, skin. Moving on to the next question. What type of barrier does saliva in the mouth and tears from the eyes belong to under innate immunity? Option A, cytokine barriers. Option B, cellular barriers. Option C, physiological barriers. And option D, physical barriers. The correct answer is option C, physiological barriers. Moving on to the next question. What does T stand for in T lymphocyte? Option A, thalamus. Option B, tonsil. Option C, thymus. And option D, thyroid. The correct answer is option C, thymus. Moving on to the next question. What is a pair of viral diseases? Option A, common cold or AIDS. Option B, dysentery or common cold. Option C, typhoid or tuberculosis. Option D, ringworm or AIDS. The correct answer is option A, common cold or AIDS. Moving on to the next question. Among the following, which is the most infectious disease? Option A, hepatitis B. Option B, AIDS. Option C, amoebiasis. And option D, malaria. The correct answer is option A, hepatitis B. Moving on to the next question. What are B lymphocytes primarily involved in? Option A, humoral immunity. Option B, autoimmune disorders. Option C, graft rejection. And option D, cell mediated immunity. The correct answer is option A, humoral immunity. The next question is, from the plant of which family is heroin obtained? Option A, Leguminosae. Option B, Papaver. Option C, Liliaceae. And option D, Solanaceae. The correct answer is option B, Papaver. Moving on to the next question. Brown sugar is a common name for? Option A, LSD. Option B, hashish. Option C, heroin. And option D, barbiturates. The correct answer is option C, heroin. Moving on to the next question. The liver gets damaged in persons addicted to alcohol because it has, option A, to detoxify the alcohol. Option B, stores excess glycogen. Option C, is overstimulated to secrete more bile. Option D, accumulates an excess of fat. The correct answer is option A, has to detoxify the alcohol. The next question. High concentrations of alcohol cause painful inflammation of the stomach lining. What is this called? Option A, epilepsy. Option B, neurosis. Option C, psychosis. And option D, gastritis. The correct answer is option D, gastritis. The next question. The organisms that cause disease in plants and animals are called. Option A, pathogens. Option B, vectors. Option C, insects. And option D, worms. The correct answer will be option A, pathogens. Moving on to the next question. Typhoid is diagnosed using which of the chemical test? Option A, ELISA test. Option B, ESR test. Option C, PCR test. And option D, Vidal test. The correct answer will be option D, Vidal test. Moving on to the next question. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites a person, where are the sporozoites that cause infection formed? Option A, liver of human. Option B, RBCs of mosquito. Option C, salivary glands of the mosquito. And option D, intestine of human. The correct answer will be option C, salivary glands of the mosquito. The next question is, how is chikungunya transmitted? Option A, house flies. Option B, Aedes mosquito. Option C, cockroach. And option D, female Anopheles mosquito. The correct answer will be option B, Aedes mosquito. Moving on to the next question. Which genes cause cancer? Option A, structural genes. Option B, expressor genes. Option C, oncogenes. And option B, regulatory genes. The correct answer will be option C, oncogenes. The next question. What is an antibody? Option A, component of blood. Option B, secretion of mammalian erythrocyte. Option C, molecule that specifically inactivates. Option D, white corpuscle. The correct answer is option C, molecule that specifically inactivates. The next question. What is cancer of blood called? Option A, leukemia. Option B, lymphoma. Option C, sarcoma. And option D, hybridoma. The correct answer is option A, leukemia. Moving on to the next question. Asthma attacks are more common in certain seasons due to. Option A, eating fruits preserved in tin containers. Option B, inhalation of seasonal pollen. Option C, low temperature. And option D, hot and humid environment. The correct answer is option B, inhalation of seasonal pollen. Moving on to the next question. The production of interferons in the body indicates the person is suffering from. Option A, anthrax. Option B, malaria. Option C, measles. And option D, tetanus. The correct answer will be option C, measles. Moving on to the next question. How is cyclosporin A, an immunosuppressive drug, produced? Option A, Aspergillus niger. Option B, Monascus purpuris. Option C, Penicillium notatum. And option D, Trichoderma polysporum. The correct answer is option D, Trichoderma polysporum. Next question. What disease is caused by an allergic reaction? Option A, goiter. Option B, hay fever. Option C, skin cancer. And option D, rheumatic fever. The correct answer is option B, hay fever. The next question is, what causes influenza? Option A, virus. Option B, bacteria. Option C, algae. And option D, fungus. The correct answer will be option A, virus. Moving on to the next question. Lymph nodes and spleen are home to which type of cancer? Option A, carcinoma. Option B, sarcoma. Option D, lymphoma. And option D, leukemia. The correct answer is option C, lymphoma. Next question. What causes amebiosis? Option A, Entamoeba histolytica. Option B, Taenia solium. Option C, Plasmodium vivax. And option D, E. coli. The correct answer is option A, Entamoeba histolytica. The next question. By the release of what is an inflammatory response in allergy caused? Option A, antigen. Option B, histones. Option C, histamines. And option D, antibodies. The correct answer will be option C, histamines. The next question is, an insect bite may cause inflammation of the affected area. What alarm chemicals trigger this process? Option A, histamine and dopamine. Option B, histamine and kines. Option C, interferons and opsonin. Option D, interferons and histones. The correct answer is option B, histamine and kinases. The next question is, histamines, the substance that cause inflammation, are produced by which cell of the body? Option A, mast cells. Option B, collagen fibers. Option C, macrophagus. And option D, sustentacular cells. The correct answer is option A, mast cells. The next question is, what antimicrobial drug is suitable to treat both tuberculosis and leprosy? Option A, isoniazid. Option B, R-aminosalicylate acid. Option C, streptomycin. And option D, rifampicin. The correct answer is option D, rifampicin. The next question is, destruction of cancerous cells can easily be done by radiation due to option A, rapid cell division. Option B, lack of nutrition. Option C, fast mutation. And option D, lack of oxygen. The correct answer will be option A, rapid cell division. Moving on to the next question. In the cell mediated immune response, T lymphocytes divide and secrete. Option A, antigens. Option B, plasmogens. Option C, collagens. And option D, cytokines. The correct answer will be option D, cytokines. Moving on to the next question. What happens when the receptor of a Th cell binds to a pathogen being represented on a microphage? Option A, activates itself. Option B, secretes cytokines. Option C, activates B cells. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer will be option D, all of the above. Moving on to the next question. Where does the sporogony of malarial parasite occur? Option A, liver of man. Option B, RBCs of man. Option C, stomach wall of a mosquito. And option D, salivary glands of a mosquito. The correct answer will be option D, salivary glands of a mosquito. The next question will be, it is suspected that a patient has acute immunodeficiency syndrome. Could you recommend a diagnostic technique for its detection? Option A, ELISA. Option B, MRI. Option C, ultrasound. And option D, Widal test. The correct answer will be option A, ELISA. Moving on to the next question. A cell that is infected with a virus produces a substance that protects other cells from further infection. What is this substance? Option A, serotonin. Option B, colostrum. Option C, interferon. And option D, histamine. The correct answer will be option C, interferon. Moving on to the next question. In colostrum, the antibodies that protect the newborn from certain diseases are of what type? Option A, IgG type. Option G, IgA type. Option C, IgD type. And option D, IgE type. The correct answer will be option A, IgA type. Moving on to the next question. The consumption of tobacco stimulates the release of adrenaline and noradrenaline. Which component is responsible for this? Option A, nicotine. Option B, tannic acid. Option C, curcumin. And option D, catechine. The correct answer is option A, nicotine. Moving on to the next question. What does antivenom against snake poison contain? Option A, antigens. Option B, antigen antibody complexes. Option C, antibodies. And option D, enzymes. The correct answer is option C, antibodies. Moving on to the next question. HIV is the major cause of AIDS. What principally infects? Option A, all lymphocytes. Option B, activator B cells. Option C, cytotoxic T cells. And option D, T4 lymphocytes. The correct answer is option 4, T4 lymphocytes. The next question. What is the formation of antibodies within our body called? Option A, active immunity. Option B, passive immunity. Option C, innate immunity. And option D, acquired immunity. The correct answer is option A, active immunity. Moving on to the next question. Where does the production of both B cells and T cells of the human system take place? Option A, spleen. Option B, bone marrow. Option C, thymus. And option D, lymph nodes. The correct answer is option B, bone marrow. Moving on to the next question. What is active immunity? Option A, borrowed from an active disease case. Option B, developed in direct response to a disease agent. Option C, the product of borrowed antibodies. And option D, passive immunity that is activated. The correct answer is option B, developed in direct response to a disease. The next question. Among the following, which is not a lymphoid cell? Option A, spleen. Option B, tonsils. Option C, appendix. Option D, thymus. The correct answer is option C, appendix. Moving on to the next question. What is the gland that is large at birth but shrinks with aging? Option A, pineal. Option B, pituitary. Option C, thymus. Option D, thyroid. The correct answer is option C, thymus. Moving on to the next question. What is hemozoin? Option A, precursor of hemoglobin. Option B, toxin from streptococcus. Option C, toxin from plasmodium species. And option D, toxin from Haemophilus species. The correct answer is option C, toxin from plasmodium species. The next question. Which one of the following is not a causal organism for ringworm? Option A, microsporum. Option B, trichophyton. Option C, epidermophyton. Option D, macrosporum. The correct answer is option D, macrosporum. Moving on to the next question. An individual with sickle cell anemia is option A, more prone to malaria. Option B, more prone to typhoid. Option C, less prone to malaria. And option D, less prone to typhoid. The correct answer is option C, less prone to malaria.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.